Quantum computing unveiled 10 potential hazards that experts fear. We've all felt that sinking feeling. You type in your password for the 100th time, praying it's strong enough to keep your online life safe. But what if the real threat isn't some basement hacker with a hoodie, but a whole new kind of computing beast? Quantum computing. Buckle up, VR James fam, because things are about to get weird and potentially wonderful, because we're diving down the quantum rabbit hole to explore the mind-blowing potential of quantum computing. It's like having a super-powered computer in your pocket, solving problems that would take regular computers longer than, well, forever. But hold on a sec. With great power comes great responsibility. Cue Spider-Man meme. And quantum computing might have a few hidden dangers lurking in its code. So grab your favorite beverage, quantum espresso anyone, and get ready for 10 mind-bending potential hazards that experts fear about quantum computing. Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. We'll also explore how we can navigate these challenges and harness the awesome power of this futuristic technology. Broken encryption, the Great Wall of Sandcastles. Think of your online data like a medieval castle. Strong encryption acts as the thick walls and watchful guards, keeping your information safe from prying eyes. Current encryption methods rely on complex math problems that take regular computers ages to crack. It's like having a lock with a million combinations. Good luck brute forcing your way in. Here's the rub. Quantum computers could be the ultimate lockpickers. Their ability to perform calculations in parallel could potentially crack these codes in a fraction of the time. Imagine your once mighty castle walls crumbling like sandcastles under a quantum tidal wave. That's why developing new, quantum-resistant encryption methods is a top priority for cybersecurity experts. It's a race against time to build a new, sturdier fortress before the quantum battering ram arrives. Unfair advantage in warfare. Codename Quantum Supremacy. Imagine a world where one nation has a quantum computer that can crack enemy codes faster than they can blink. They could potentially see through military communications, predict troop movements, and dominate the battlefield. This potential quantum gap could destabilize global security. Just like in the arms race of the Cold War, countries might scramble to develop their own quantum computing capabilities, leading to a tense competition with potentially dangerous consequences. The key here is international cooperation and ensuring responsible use of this powerful technology. We don't want the future of warfare to be a game of quantum chess, where the winner takes all. Harvest now, decrypt later, the long game of cybercrime. Here's a creepy tactic cybercriminals are using. Harvest now, decrypt later. They snatch your encrypted data, your emails, financial records, the embarrassing selfies you keep hidden, and stash it away for the future. It's like burying a treasure chest, waiting for the right tools to crack it open. The problem? Quantum computers could be those tools. Imagine bad actors stealing encrypted data today, knowing that with future advancements in quantum computing, they'll be able to unlock that treasure chest years down the line. This chilling possibility highlights the importance of staying vigilant and constantly improving our cybersecurity defenses. We can't afford to be complacent in the digital age, especially when quantum computers are lurking on the horizon. Helium scarcity, the quantum chill, or lack thereof. Quantum computers are like high-performance athletes. They need to stay cool to operate properly. Here's where things get a little gassy. Quantum computers rely on helium for cooling, similar to how your fridge uses Freon. The issue? Helium is a finite resource, and with the rise of quantum computing, demand is expected to skyrocket. This could lead to a helium squeeze, making it expensive and difficult to obtain. It's like having a revolutionary new car engine that requires a fuel source rarer than a unicorn horn. Not exactly ideal for widespread adoption. Researchers are exploring alternative cooling methods, but for now, helium remains the go-to choice. We need to find sustainable solutions to keep these quantum engines running smoothly, or else our quantum dreams might turn into a frosty nightmare. Alright VR James fam, hands up if you've ever felt like your online security is about as strong as a wet paper towel in a hurricane. Yeah, we thought so. We're halfway through this quantum rabbit hole, so hit that like button if you're feeling a little more informed, or maybe just slightly more paranoid about the future of computing. Let us know in the comments below. Are you Team Quantum Superpower or Team Quantum Supervillain? Web interactions at risk. When your secure site becomes an open door, imagine your favorite online store is like your house. You've got locks on the doors, alarms at the windows, the whole 9 yards. You feel safe and secure, right? Well, quantum computing could be the ultimate lockpick, turning those high-tech defenses into Swiss cheese. Here's why. Most online security relies on encryption, a fancy way of scrambling your data so only authorized users can understand it. Think of it like writing a secret message in a code only you and your friend know. But quantum computers, with their mind-bending processing power, could potentially crack those codes much faster than ever before. It's like giving your friend the master key to every code you've ever used. Not exactly ideal for online shopping sprees. Thankfully, cybersecurity experts are working on new encryption methods that are quantum resistant. But it's a race against time. We need to build stronger digital walls before the quantum battering ram arrives. Dangers to deep neural networks. DNNs. When AI gets a quantum case of the black box blues, we've all heard of artificial intelligence, AI, those self-learning computer programs that are supposed to make our lives easier. But what if quantum computing throws a wrench into the AI toolbox? Enter quantum machine learning, a field that uses quantum power to train AI algorithms. Sounds cool, right? Well, there's a catch. These quantum DNNs, or deep neural networks, can become the ultimate black boxes. Imagine trying to understand how a regular computer program works. It's already a complex mess of code. Now imagine that program is on steroids, fueled by the bizarre laws of quantum mechanics. It becomes nearly impossible to peek inside and see how it arrives at its decisions. It's like having a super intelligent AI assistant who just gives you cryptic one-word answers, not exactly helpful when you're trying to troubleshoot a problem. Researchers are working on ways to make quantum DNNs more transparent, but for now, this black box issue is a hurdle we need to overcome to ensure AI development stays on the right track. Hidden security issue. The quantum gremlins we don't even know exist. Here's the thing about quantum computing. It's so new, so revolutionary, that we can't even predict all the potential problems it might bring. It's like exploring a new continent. You might stumble upon breathtaking landscapes, but there could also be hidden dangers lurking in the shadows. These unforeseen vulnerabilities are a major concern. Quantum computing might introduce entirely new security risks we haven't even considered yet. We need to prioritize robust cybersecurity practices alongside the development of quantum computing. Businesses left behind, the quantum rat race, and getting left in the dust. Quantum computing has the potential to be a game changer for businesses. Imagine being able to solve complex problems, optimize logistics, and develop new products at a mind-boggling pace. It's like giving your company a supercharged engine that leaves the competition in the dust. But here's the rub. Quantum computing is expensive. Right now, it's like owning a private jet. Only a select few can afford the price tag. This creates a potential scenario where businesses that embrace quantum technology surge ahead, while others get left behind. We need to find ways to make quantum computing more accessible to avoid exacerbating the digital divide. Widening the digital divide, the quantum chasm, and leaving people behind the high cost of quantum computing isn't just a concern for businesses, it's a major social issue. Imagine a world where access to this powerful technology creates a vast gap between the haves and have-nots. It's like building a giant technological bridge, but only allowing certain people to cross. This could lead to increased inequalities and hinder progress in many crucial sectors. Developing countries, for example, could fall further behind in areas like healthcare research and sustainable development if they lack access to quantum computing resources. The key here is international collaboration. We need to find ways to share knowledge, resources, and expertise to ensure the benefits of quantum computing reach a global scale. Imagine a world where everyone has access to this technology, not just a select few. Now that's a future worth striving for. That's all for this whirlwind tour of the Quantum Jungle VR James fam. We've encountered some potential pitfalls, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So the question remains, is quantum computing a superhero or a supervillain? The answer, like most things in life, is probably a bit of both. It's up to us to harness its power for good and navigate the challenges that come with it. If you're feeling a little more informed, or maybe just slightly more terrified about the future of computing, hit that like button and subscribe to Virtual Reality James. We'll keep you updated on all things quantum, from the mind-blowing advancements to the potential roadblocks. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and maybe invest in a good firewall, just in case.